Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Mono.
What does the dictionary say?
A prefix meaning something of one.
Math rap.
Don't know the meaning of mono? Then you're on your own. It's a prefix meaning something of one. Monopolize means only one is in control. A mono meal has just one term. That's how it rolls.
Math rap.
What do you call a fallen tree that is giving a speech to himself? A monologue. Mono means something of one. Name 10 things that you have only one of in your home. Explain mono in your own words. List words that use the prefix mono. Define them. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!